Hi everyone, this is Sadashiv from Inspiring Trainer. In this presentation, we will discuss another topic in artificial intelligence. Let's start the presentation. In this presentation, we are going to study the concept of rationality. We know that a rational agent is one that does the right thing. You can see the robot is playing chess. If I want to call it as a rational agent, the first approximation we will say that the robot has to take right action so that will cause the agent to be most successful. If all the action performed by this robot are right, then it win the chess game. So ultimately a rational agent has to think in a right direction. So now before going to the concept of rationality, we need to know about performance measure. A performance of rational agent is the criteria which determines how successful agent is. Means performance measure depends upon how agent successfully completed the task. A performance measure of an agent includes the following factor. First one, agent has to take initiative to pursue information from the environment. Means it means that it has to pursue the input from the environment. Second one, agent has to generate a sequence of action according to the percept it receives. Means depending upon the input pursued from the environment, agent has to take a good decision to make a action on the environment. So third one, this sequence of action cause the environment to go through a sequence of states. So after taking action on the environment, it will go through a sequence of states. And the last one, if the sequence is desirable, then the agent has performed well. It means whatever the action performed by agent is right, then the agent has performed well. So if agent is failed to perform any of these factors, then it will affect on the performance measure. For example, in case of vacuum cleaner, if you want to measure performance, it has to clean the dirt area. If it fails to do the assigned work, then we are not going to consider it has a good performance measure. Now the question is that how to measure the performance of an agent. Consider a mice, it has to solve some puzzle. For every action it has to get reward. For wrong action there should not be any reward for that. After solving the puzzle, calculate how much reward it gained. Depending upon that, we can say how much agent is successful. So this is the way we can measure the performance of an agent. So now, as a general rule, it is better to design performance measure according to what one actually wants in the environment rather than according to how one thinks the agent should behave. It means that if you consider vacuum cleaner with respect to performance measure, we actually want how much dirt area it is cleaned rather than how it behaves. So now we will see the concept of rationality. If you want to define rationality in any given time, it depends on four things. First one, it depends on the agent percept sequence till date. Means agent should store all the percept history. Second one is that the agent should have prior knowledge of the environment. Means agent should know about the environment on which it is acting. Third one is that action that the agent can perform on the environment after perceiving the environment, after the perceiving the input from the environment. So last one is performance measure. It indicates how the agent is successful. So all these things define the rationality of a agent. So you can see the animation where the robot is collecting stone and placing in a specified order. Suppose if you want to consider it as a rational agent, all the four dependencies should be satisfied. Means it has to pursue the input, that is stone that are available on the table, and it should have prior knowledge about the environment, like how many stones are there and how many stones left after collecting some stones. And it has to correct action to put the stone in a specified order, and after that we measure the performance of agent depends upon how successful the agent completed task. So depending upon the concept of performance measure and rationality, we can easily define a rational agent. For each possible percept sequence, a rational agent should select an action that is expected to maximize its performance measure given the evidence provided by percept sequence and whatever built-in knowledge the agent has. Hope you have understood the concept of rational agent. Thank you for watching this video. For more video lecture on artificial intelligence, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.